My name is Ian, and I am going to introduce my app that I made with Vue. So it's already deployed. So please go to iichoose.com. And this app, one of the problems I have in life is choosing. So choosing what to eat, choosing what to wear, choosing what to do on a date. Should I eat Chinese food? Should I eat tacos? Should I eat pizza? It This app chooses for you. Just put your options. Click on that at the bottom, and I'm going to reset my options from my default ones. So I'm gonna do tacos, bar, club, uh, beer, McDonald's. So, and also as you're inputting this option, press Enter key. I was testing with my friend, and my friend thought this OK button would uh, would enter this option, but this OK button is only for you to get out of the dialogue like that modal. So yeah. So and then click on start, and it comes up with an option for you. So you can, and after each turn, you can also decide to eliminate that option. So now McDonald's is gone. And also another cool thing is this Yelp API feature. So once you click on it, it'll ask you for location access. Don't worry, I'm just grabbing the latitude and longitude of where you are. And I'm not doing anything but just send that to the Yelp API so that I get this result for you at the end. Because Yelp requires location and the keyword, so I just send this keyword and the location. And I render the results that I get from the Yelp API. So yeah, that is it for my app. And also to deploy, I had to turn this from HTTP to HTTPS because um, the browsers, all the browsers won't let me um, get the work the location API for the app if I don't turn it into HTTPS. But that wasn't hard at all. So yeah, thank you for listening.